a new video. I'm playing Monkey Bone Tag or whatever. Okay, golden ball, I guess it is. Okay. You just climb walls, get bananas, and that's basically it. Okay. Round starts. 2, 1, 0. I want the golden ball. It's basically a golden banana. I don't know why there's not a golden banana. It's a ball. A ball's fine. Okay, I see the target. Attack! But why does it have to be so high? Alright, let's get him. Who's that? I almost got it. I'm speaking really loud today because I have lots of energy. Okay, I see the guy. Let's chase after him. I don't think I'm gonna win. Oh, I got the golden ball. Ah, dang it. Dang it. She got the golden ball back. I see that might win. And then I'm down. Okay, there she. Oh, there we go. I got it. Dang it. But this guy barely even moves. Oh, yeah, I have it again. Ooh, I have lots of time. I've had it for 10 seconds combined. Can you please like and subscribe? I do that closer to the middle of the video because if you made it here, you're probably enjoying the video. So hope you like and subscribe. I've got this from Laughabilly, so also go subscribe to him. Let's keep going. Ooh, I've had it for a while. I don't think I'm gonna. Dang it! Okay, I see him. There he is. Oh, I had that. Okay, but I've been like a centimeter away from him. I see him. He is my target. We gotta get him. I see him. He's going over there. He's on the vine. I won't commentate. Oh, I think I might have lost. Who knows? Okay, let's go to the next round soon because we need it. I kind of want Shaw golden ball. I like the Shaw and it's golden ball. I like the golden ball. I don't know why, but I think I might win. I just have faith in myself. Okay, let's go. I want to know who has it first. Is it me? Oh, it's not me. Why am I just jumping on the trampoline? I see him. Attack! Ali had that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got it. Yay. I'm on it. I'm running quick. I'm a fast monkey. Let's keep running. Oh, it's like, oh, you can't get me. Oh, yeah. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Don't mind the footsteps. Whoa! He was like 5 millimeters away from me. Actually, meters away from me, not millimeters. I got it back. Yay. Oh, I'm second out all the other monkeys. I had it for 20 seconds. That's so long. Oh, yeah, it says Panda Kid has the ball. Yay, I'm Panda Kid. And yeah, my name is Panda Kid, but right now it's Rowan. Okay, I don't know why. Panda Kid has the bomb. Actually, I've had it for a while. 40 seconds. I think I'm going to win. I think I'm going to win even if I had it for a longer time. Even if someone steals it from me, I still think I'm going to win. Almost 1 minute I've had the golden bomb. Whatever it's called. Oh yeah, it's a bomb. Oh my goodness, why is he under there? Grab him. Blah. I've really had it for over a minute. Bro. I think I'm gonna have it for like 70 seconds. Bro, how do you get... I hate the vines, they're so useless. I think he might have it last, but no. There's actually no way someone can beat me. 70 seconds. I had the golden bomb for 70 seconds. Bro, that's literally insane. Let's go. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Bro, he's literally on the vine. Just cut. But actually, that's quite smart. I won with 70 seconds and 71 milliseconds. Let go. Okay, next round. I don't don't really care. I vote for Grid. I honestly never played Candy Map, but the Grid is fun. I don't want Golden Ball 3 times in a row. Okay, I think, and the Grid won, so I'm happy with that. Let's go. I don't want the bomb. The bomb is bad. The bomb is bad. This time you don't want the bomb. Last time you did want the bomb because it was golden, like a banana. But this time it's black, like a real bomb. So you don't want the bomb this time. I just have lots of energy. That's why I'm doing really weird stuff. I just run around, can't climb up here, and get away from the red person because he has the bomb. Yeah, and whoever's like lit up or has the bomb. If you're red, that means you have the bomb. If you're blue, that means you don't have the bomb. So that means you're good. I'm camping. I'm just drumming on a table. Okay. How did I get the bomb? Tell me, please. But I guess it is just random choice. Where is everybody? Everybody's up high. You don't think I can climb? I can climb. The climb button is the jump button. I'm not kidding. Dang it! Okay. What? Sorry, I thought I heard something. Okay. Robot. I don't know what that is. Let's find out together. Is it an emote? In my inventory? It might be in my inventory. That's fuse, no. Trade, no. I don't know, honestly. Let's see. I'm gonna stop now. Hope you guys liked my video. Bye! Monkey.